What are you doing? Well done. Woo! Another one. Just a minute.
It's a minute.
Here. Look, we are baking carrot cupcake this morning for she requested it because she was watching Bing Bunny. Bing Bunny is baking carrot. And she'll do it the same. So I help her, which is loads of messy. So say goodbye.
Bye.
Ooh.